Hey, so we're in the street market. I started from late. I got a ring. I bought a ring from a gentleman. I got this for less than 70 cents, 75 cents, something like that. I think it's used, but it looks nice. They got used clothes here. They got a lot of street food, handmade craft from seashells. Man, these are nice. Wow. Look at this one. This is nice. These are really, really nice. Assalamu alaikum. They got the fish going on here. Fish. What's up, man? Hey, they're still celebrating Eid. Ramadan ended a couple days ago, so they're still having the Eid celebrations going. Hey man, these are the nicest decorated horses I've ever seen. Oh, hey, I'm gonna get a picture like the horse jumping like that. Oh yeah, I need a picture like this.
पाकिस्तान मेरा देश है। तुम जानते हो मैं क्या बात कर रहा है?
Hey, I'm about to get on this horse and we're about to make a jump. Hopefully we get a good picture. Oh, it's nice. Have a picture for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a picture, yeah. Let me see. Can I see? Oh, yes. How much? How much? How much? Yo, we got an amazing horse ride. Not a horse ride, but I got the picture. And my man, he's trying to hustle. He got himself in the business. And he just took a picture with his camera. He got a printing business going on here. So he's like, yo, I'll print you a nice picture too. He's like, I'll print you the picture for 200 rupees, which is 75 cents. And the horse guy, I paid him 75 cents. I'm like, $1.50 for a nice picture? Yeah, we'll do it. Let's do it. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, it's a nice office. It's a office max. MashaAllah.
Aziz Photoshop.
Aziz Photoshop.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. 3 picture, 3, yeah?
No, 2. 2 is okay.
Check.
How do you say 2?
Check.
No, this one.
This.
Photoshop, copy paste, finish, huh? Good. Of course. Professional. Thank you, brother. Channel?
Channel name.
Muhammad Al-Harbi. It's Arabic and English. Muhammad Al-Harbi. هو صورة. اي والله
والله تقول بالمانيا قاعدين. نايس. ما يقدر يجلسك يا PDF؟
فايل نو.
شكرا يا باي.
عيد مبارك سر. ها. عيد مبارك.
ريت.
نايس. رايت. Nothing. Hey, y'all seen Kite Runner? These are the kites. These are the kites in Kite Runner. They got a little busy on the way out. Fried fish. The thing with me, I have a really sensitive stomach, so I can't eat street food. I'll film them, I'll buy them. I just bought some lady, she was begging for money with her daughter. She wasn't from here. She's from a neighboring country that I adore a lot. So I asked her if she said she's hungry, and I was like, okay, well, I won't give her money, just because sometimes there's mafias that, I guess, control these beggars and make them go out there and collect money, and then they take the money from them. Right? I've heard a lot of stories about that. So I just bought her food, her and her daughter, and it was cheap. I bought her a plate of rice with some like some kind of soup on top of it, right? Like a chutney soup or something for 30 cents. I bought 2 for 60 cents, and it was a big plate. I made sure it was enough. I asked them if they wanted more. She's like, no. It's really cheap to be nice here. You don't have to eat the street food yourself. Like me, if you don't eat street food, if you have a sensitive stomach or you're scared of getting sick or poisoning or something, you can buy it for others.